Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
Fed policy and crumbling market sentiment could send the total crypto market half back under $1 trillion. Data shows investors jumping back into Fed and a lack of bullish leverage in the crypto market suggests another correction is in the making. The total crypto market capitalization broke above $1 trillion on July 18 after an agonizing 35-day stint below the key psychological level. Over the next 7 days, Bitcoin BTC trend played near 22,400 and either ETH faced a 0.5% correction to 1,560. A total crypto capitalization closed July 24 at $1.03 trillion, a modest 0.5% negative 7-day movement. The average stability is biased toward the play performance of BTC and either in the $150 billion value of stablecoins. The board data had to pick the 7 out of the top 80 coins dropped 9% or more in the period. Even though the cards saw support at the $1 trillion level, it will take some time until investors regain confidence to invest in cryptocurrencies, and actions from the United States Federal Reserve could have the largest impact on price action. Furthermore, the sit and wait mentality could be a reflection of important macroeconomic events scheduled for the week ahead. Broadly speaking, worse than expected data tends to increase investor expectation of expansionary measures, which are beneficial for riskier assets like cryptocurrency. The Federal Reserve policy meeting is scheduled for July 26 and 27, and investors expect the United States Central Bank to raise interest rates by 75 basis points. Moreover, the second quarter of U.S. gross domestic product (GDP), the broadest measure of economic activity, will be released on July 27. $1 trillion, not enough to instill confidence. Investor sentiment improved from July 18 as reflected in the Fear and Greed Index, a data-driven sentiment gauge. The indicator currently holds 30 out of 100, which is an increase from 20 on July 18 when it hovered in the extreme fear zone. One must note that even though the $1 trillion total crypto market capitalization was recaptured, traders' spirits have not improved much. Listed below are the winners and losers from July 17 to 24. A faced a 20.6% technical correction after an impressive 58% rally from July 12 to 18 after the network file sharing solution surpassed 80 TB of data.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.